China's 500-meter aperture spherical radio telescope, the world's largest single-dish radio telescope, has identified more than 900 new pulsars since its launch in 2016, its operator said Wednesday. Pulsars, or fast-spinning neutron stars, originate from the imploded cores of massive dying stars through supernova explosions. Pulsar observation is an important task for FAST, which can be used to confirm the existence of gravitational radiation and black holes and help find answers to many other major questions in physics. Han Junlin, a scientist with the National Astronomical Observatories under the Chinese Academy of Sciences, said that the pulsars included over 120 binary pulsars, more than 170 millisecond pulsars, and 80 faint and intermittent pulsars. Han added that, over the past 50-plus years since the discovery of the first pulsar, less than 3,000 pulsars were discovered worldwide, and the number of new pulsars discovered by FAST is more than 3 times the total number of pulsars found by foreign telescopes during the same period.
中国天眼到目前为止经过几年的努力，发现了900个脉冲星。这些脉冲星不仅仅是数量上的这个增多，而是科学上有真正的突破。我们这个900个脉冲星当中，有一大批脉冲星是一闪而过的，偶然发脉冲的脉冲星。这些脉冲星如果不是灵敏的天眼，是捕捉不到的。
At present, the annual observation time of the telescope is about 5,300 hours, increasing the possibility of important scientific discovery.
中国天眼是世界上目前发现脉冲星效率最高的望远镜。那它给我们提供一个非常重要的机遇，就是能发现一些奇特的脉冲星能产生重要科学的前提条件。
Located in the deep and round karst depression in southwest China's Guizhou province, FAST started formal operation in January 2020. It is believed to be the world's most sensitive radio telescope.